Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller. Start by picking up your phone and opening the Meta Horizon app. Make sure you are logged into the same account that you use on your headset. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Menu. From there, tap on Devices. This will show you the headset that is currently linked to your account. Select your Quest 2 headset from the list. Now go into Headset Settings. Scroll until you find the controller's option and tap on it. Here you will see the option to pair a new controller. Tap on Pair New Controller. The app will ask whether you want to connect a left or right controller. Choose the correct one based on what you are setting up. Next, you need to put the controller into pairing mode. For the right controller, press and hold the Meta button and the B button at the same time. For the left controller, press and hold the Menu button and the Y button together. Keep holding the buttons until you see the LED light on the controller start blinking. After a few seconds, the light will turn solid. This means the controller is now connected successfully. You can now use your controller with your headset. Thanks for watching.